Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're doing something kind of different but kind of the same. We're shooting this beautiful Mustang GT350 Shelby edition as well. We got the keys in hand. This is a 2018 Ford in white, and yeah, beautiful car we're shooting today. We're going to be shooting a lot of photos, videos, and action shots around the car. So yeah, let's get into it. Alrighty, so as for gear today, we're shooting on the normal stuff, the Sony A7 IV. And then for my main lens, we're shooting on the Sigma 2470 from Sigma. I don't know why I'm repeating myself, but oh well. But this car is interesting to drive. It's manual, and I'm used to manual because I daily drive a manual, but this car is still interesting to say the least. So we're gonna do my best walking around it, talking a little bit about it, what I'm thinking for shots, angles. We're going to turn on the lights so we have the car looking more alive instead of just a parked car. But other than that, it's a really fun car to drive. It sounds really throaty and mean, which you get with, I think, any muscle car. But this is also my first American car that I've driven, so yeah, it's pretty cool. Do a quick walk around, all the shots normally, the front, angle, side, back, so forth, so forth. Also important to get on the same level as the headlights of the car. That's why I feel it's the more eye shot of the car. This is apparently a City of Vancouver heritage building. Interesting, cool. You learn something new every day. Got the triple lights on the back, which is iconic. My uncle actually has a Mustang GT350 as well, but this is not the one he has. He has a 1966. I'll overlay an image right here of what it looks like, and I think he's honestly the most influential person that got me into cars, because he's had the Mustang base model, then he got the GT, and then he went to the GT350 Cobra as well. It's not like I don't know if it's the actual Cobra per se, but it's mean. It's got a turbo or a supercharger in it, and he loves it. Although I think he's actually looking to sell it pretty soon, actually. So yeah, really awesome, cool car that he has, and that I've been able to be driven in. I haven't drove it, but it's pretty cool. So we'll finish up with a walk around, do some interiors, exteriors, video, and then we'll call it a day with this guy. I honestly, it's really brand new. I think it's less than 500 kilometers, so it still has delivery miles basically. But the only downside to it for me is, one, I haven't driven a lot of manual cars. Like, I daily drive a manual. I know I've said that many times already, but it's a lot more different in my opinion. But it's just that the clutch is at a bite point that's interesting for me, especially being tall, so it's a little precarious, let's just put it. Haven't installed it, but I don't plan on installing it ever. But yeah, it's interesting. It's not my favorite, to be honest with you. Get all the logos and badges. Gotta get the wheels with the Brembos. I'll try and get some shots of the leaves as well. I think it could go really well. Sweet. Maybe get a front shot with the tree in frame, or even these bushes maybe. These bushes might go pretty well. Looks pretty good with that, actually. Sweet. Let's open the door, get some interiors quickly. We'll get over the shoulder, or over the mirror, I guess. Sweet. All right, we'll jump inside. We'll get some interiors with the 16mm f2.8, which is right there. And then we'll be good for this car pretty much. It's honestly one of my least favorite cars right now. I think only mostly just because it's just honestly due to the clutch. which is weird to say as much as I am, but for me, it's not a fun car. I think we're doing a Porsche. I think it's a Target 4S next, but we'll see. All right, let's put you inside. Time for interiors. All right, let's start this thing up, maybe. We do have some AC, thankfully. Get this guy. Oh yeah, look at that. 486 kilometers. Crazy. All right, cool. Let's get this camera on the window, get some driving shots, and then we'll go back to the store.